It's time for the Roller Football League on Rollercoin with a massive event that has just kicked off. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's time for kickoff and kickoff has started, so let's get straight to it. On my screen here, you can see the announcement on the Rollercoin blog on June 11th for the Roller Football League. This is going to be a massive event with a 16 petahash 5% bonus miner up for grabs. So let's get on with it. Check the game plan. Gather your team of 11 elite miners by conquering challenging matches from June the 13th till June 25th. Aim for glory in the grand finale and secure your victory with 16 petahash with a 5% bonus power boost. Merge it into an even more powerful beast. The decisive championship craft will occur from June 25th to June 27th. Don't forget, you will need to start crafting manually. Okay, so after crafting is done, this is very important, you will get the final miner. All 9 other miners will be used during crafting and gone from the room. So keep that in mind. You're going to be losing all of them after to merge this into one single 16 petahash 5% bonus miner. There are going to be 2 sales, limited seats to witness history in the making, 3 crafts, 2 progression events, 1 puzzle, and 1, this is the first time ever that this is being done, burning event. So here we go. Mark your calendars. All events kick off at 3 p.m. UTC time. So at the time of recording this video, we are already in the first 2 here. So you can get the Crypto Mbappe at 1.4 petahash in the European League progression event that is currently going on right now, and you've got the entire weekend to be able to do that, and I'll be going in more detail on that progression event during the weekend as well. Roller Referee, that has started as well, so you can craft that Roller Referee and get 216 terahash from June 13th and June 17th as well. So those 2 are the current ones that are currently going on at the time of recording this video. From Sunday at 3 p.m. UTC time till the 19th of June, you'll be able to buy Shibu Messi in the Shibu Messi landing sale. So be sure to mark your calendar for that one, because I'm sure that these will sell out very, very fast. Dodge Cryptodona will start from 17th June so till the 21st of June, and that's going to be obtainable from the Stadium Vibes puzzle event. Then there's Cryptiano as well during the same time, and that goes on for a bit longer during the Goal burning event. Okay, so you can get the Cryptiano there from the Goal burning event, and you'll get 297 terahash. Dude Bitlingham, 243 terahash during the Football League craft. That's going to take place as well during the same time period as the previous 2, between 17th of June and June 21st. Then we've got Crypto Legend at 1.5 petahash. That's going to be obtainable during the Crypto Legend landing sale. So again, mark your calendars for that at 3 p.m. UTC time sharp. Be sure to be on that landing sale at the time that this starts and get your Crypto Legend. Pepele 1.2 petahash Copa America progression event that will be going on from the 21st of June till the 25th of June. And last but not least, Erling Haaland, 702 terahash Football League Craft 2, taking place between the 21st June and the 25th of June. So let's check out what is currently on at the moment. If we go to the homepage of Rollercoin, here you will be able to see at the top the European League progression event and the referee crafting. So this I will go in more details in another separate video for the progression of that event, but you do need to get to the very end. It's a 30 level event with Crypto Mbappe, which is the one that you actually need for that massive event, and that's going to be one of the miners that you will need to craft the Mega Miner. Referee crafting is going on at the moment, whole weekend as well to get this. You can get this in multiple ways and forms, okay? So you can either have that popcorn miner there and a couple of uncommon wires, okay? And you pay 4.49 RLT for it. You can have even more wires and a different miner. So it's up to you which way you want to do this. If you do it with the Matic way, you're going to get it the cheapest way. So you're going to need less parts, you're going to still need the wires, but you're going to need less of them, 40 instead of 80 or 100 here. And you'll need 1.99, so 2 Matic pretty much there, which is equivalent to around $1.20 at the current price of Matic. So that's going to be much cheaper than the $4.49 or the $5.99 that you pay here as well. So if you actually take advantage of actually having Matic, then you can actually acquire that cheaper. And at the moment there is also the 35% discount on Matic going on. Hopefully this will be going on for another day or two, so be sure to take advantage of that discount as well, especially knowing that there is that progression event going on and you can get a bigger multiplier by exchanging your Matic to RLT, and obviously keep some of that Matic so you can do that crafting offer as well. So that is pretty much all I wanted to tell you. The blog is on the last icon on the Rollercoin homepage, but I'll leave a link directly to it in the description below. So you just click on blog here and you can just go directly to that blog, Roller Football League, right there, and you can go straight to that page and read all the details. Again, be sure to do your best to try and get that 16 petahash 5% bonus miner, because it will definitely improve and boost your mining power in your room to be able to get more crypto. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.